What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create an account on Upwork. So if you don't already know, Upwork is a leading platform for freelancers to connect with clients and get jobs. And if you are someone looking for freelancers, you can sign up as a client here and hire freelancers. So here you need to sign up. First go to upwork.com and then sign up. Let's close this pop-up, then sign up here. And here you'll need to choose your identity, if you are a client hiring freelancers for a project or a freelancer looking for work. So let's say I'm a client, I'll click on join as client, and then I can continue of course with Apple or with Google. And then all I need to do is enter first name, last name, email and password, and then the country is automatically detected, and I can continue to sign up. Or let's say I am a freelancer, let's say sign up here again. I'm a freelancer, apply as a freelancer. Of course, I need to enter the same basic details here and then create my account. Of course, I need to confirm my email, confirm my identity. If I'm a freelancer, I need to provide an ID and provide my image so that they know they can activate or confirm my account in order to get jobs and get paid on the platform.